right here behind the barrel. Yeah, right there. Sentry's engaging. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna move, man. Alright, I'm gonna move. You see him?
Yeah. Keep moving back down again.
Oh, yeah? Oh, she's dead. Right there.
Drop.
He's right there. He's looking for us to stay down. Just stay
No.
When he advances, just mow him down.
Yeah.
He's advancing.
Where's he? Oh, I see his head.
I think he just saw us.
Yeah, I saw his head. We got a top.
Alright, we got one.
Oh, yeah, I see him. He's moving. He's moving.
Moving where?
He's moving up. Fuck.
Weasel's engaging him. Let's go here at the tree line. I'd get down.
We gotta move.
We should move?
We have no cover here.
Yeah, no, he's gonna be right there at the tree.
Let's go.
You see him?
No, I don't see him.
Move. Where's Weasel? Is he still up there? Yeah, he's right there.
Yeah, he's up there. Hop to it. No ammo? Is that him or is that the tree? I can't tell.
Is it two in the tree or one?
I think it's one.
I saw his helmet right now.
Man. No ammo left.
He went down?
No ammo. So deep. Oh, never mind. You don't have any M4 rounds?
No.
I didn't load up before I got here because I just got here like 5 minutes ago.
Oh.
That's fucked up, and I forgot my pistol up there. Where's he at? I don't see. Still behind the house?
Yeah.
Let me get in here. Do you get him?
Sorry, I got you, buddy.
That guy Art, the one's walking around there?
Oh.
He's running straight across from the barrel.
He's got it in the house.
Where are you finding that? Where is that?
Maybe over
In the house?
not like the motorboat.
Yeah, there's one in the house too.
Yeah, there's one in the house too.
On the
There's
ground.
one in the house and one in the barrel there. Where's the other guy?
I see another guy over there.
Yeah, I know. Oh. Okay, I'm Yes, I see the bunch in the trees. There's a bunch in the trees.
Right here?
Yeah, they're right in the trees. You're right behind them. Yeah,
that guy in there.
I can't shoot through him. Can't shoot this guy. Hey, we should ask him to shoot over a little bit. I can't shoot through. I see the guys is like right there. Are they? You guys see him?
Yeah.
In the trees?
Oh, I think it's coming around.
Watch out.
You got him.
I got him?
Looked like you did, but you didn't.
Here,
You
call. You hit?
Reload. Cover me, there's somebody walking.
Is he on our team? The ref? Oh my god, I need to fill this all the way up. God.
1 minute?
Oh shit. Oh shit, that's not. Hey, you guys, you're driving trees.
Yeah.
See him? You know what?
That's why I don't see him anymore.
I think I hit him. He's still there. Watch out. Get back. Hey!
Oh, wow. Hit by the window. I saw it.
Hey, Hey, we have one guy in the trees, like right behind the tree trunk, but he's not.
But I can't.
No guy.
Shoot him, blast him.
Let's go.
Fail.
No guy.